Manny Pacquiao of the Philippines has been fighting all the best fighters in or near.
Pacquiao clashed with pound-for-pound superstar Marco Antonio Barrera.
Barrera getting 3 chances to counter with the left hook, but taking a lot of leather to do it. Man is up on the apron. He's going to step into the ring. That's a good decision.
Manny Pacquiao bit pa ring makabugbugan ni Amir Khan. Nananatiling atat si 2004 Athens Olympics boxing silver medalist Amir King Khan na makasapakan ng iniidolong si 8th Division World Men's Pro Boxing Champion na si Manny Pacquiao. Kahit tingga sa mahigit na 4 na taon, nakatanggap ng ilang alok ang Bolton Greater Manchester-born boxer upang bumalik sa lunang parisukat. Magkatsansa pa rin kahit bulinggit kontra Pinoy boxing legend at 2025 International Boxing Hall of Famer. Wala pa mang plano ang kampo ni Pacquiao, pinangako pa ni Khan na pagbubutihan ang gagawing ensayo kumpara sa kanyang huling laban sa kababayang si Kell Brook sakaling matuloy ang suntukan kay Pacman. You know, the only person I would come back for on a serious note would be Manny Pacquiao. I've been asked by YouTubers, KSI, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, but what motivates me is fighting a proper fighter like Manny Pacquiao. A Manny Pacquiao fight would make me train even harder than a Kell Brook fight because I know how hard I would have to train. He's an animal. You need that pose. Ano yan itong Sabado sa Talk Sports Boxing. Matagal nang hinihiling ni Khan na makalaban ng isa kina Pacquiao at undefeated retired Floyd Manny Mayweather, pero walang nagaganap na usapan. Nakaupakan na ng dating unified WBA at IBF light welterweight titles ang mga bigating sina Marcos Maidana, Sab Judah, Pauli Malignagig, Canelo Alvarez at Terence Crawford.
He's wiped out here, but his confidence isn't gone. 1, 2, 3. That was an alert moment.
Then Curly Smart now is going back to the body. He's going up and down here with the Smart.
Goes for base. Secured safety for Khan. And this may win him the round.
Manny Pacquiao is the best pound for pound out there. I caught up with Amir Khan, who sparred with him.
Manny's boxed the likes of Oscar De La Hoya and big names, Marquez.
I asked Amir if the Mayweather fight doesn't work out, would he fight Pacquiao? Listen to his answer.
Well, even though me and Manny Pacquiao have become really good friends, and when I was in the Philippines, he looked after me, and boxing on them sports, like even if you spar with each other and beat each other up, end of the day you're good friends outside the ring.